Do most of your notebooks pretty much look like this? Well, not anymore. Hey guys, it's me, ILVA Crafts, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be awesome because I will share with you 5 DIY notebook covers for back to school 2022. These ideas are super quick and easy, and I hope that you will enjoy this video. Don't forget to follow me at my Instagram at ilva.crafts for more BTS journaling content, and if you end up liking this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Kicking off with the first idea, you only need a white piece of paper and some colorful markers. As you can see, you would just have to draw some random shapes, and then you can go with other shapes inside that one, but with the colors in the right order. It is so important, the colors have to be in the right order. You can go for a rainbow one, that's like the one that I also went for. I picked some different shades of yellow and orange and green, and I feel like it turned out super cute. You have to try this one when you're bored. It's a great activity to kill your free time, and of course you will go to school with a pretty cool notebook. That's the goal. Then you can use a black marker to write your name so no one steals it. And we're basically done. I love this idea. It's like the easiest one among these. The others are a bit more crafty, so get ready for those. You can do this trick where you put it in a plastic sheet and then put the notebook inside. You can do these for all the other notebooks too. It's pretty good to protect your drawing. The next idea, you will need some colorful papers. As you can see here, I got a light blue one. It's very pretty, I love it. And then pick these colors, pink and also light purple. We're gonna cut out some flowers from these pieces of paper. Of course, you can go for any colors that you like, but I feel like these kind of spring cherry blossom flowers are super cute, so I highly recommend to use these colors. As you can see here, I cut 6 pink flowers if you're interested. I draw a circle with a pencil so I know where to stick them when I want to create the ring flower. And here, just to make them a bit more interesting, I used colorful markers to draw them a bit in the center. Here I used some glue stick to glue down all the cute little flowers in any order you like. It doesn't matter, it's not very important to just be a circle, anything else. I also glued down some cute leaves, and it's basically done. Draw your name so no one steals it, and it's ready. I love this one. It was super quick and easy. It looks a bit crafty and very cute, and I just love this idea so much. Okay, now for the next idea, you will need 2 papers in 2 different colors. I went for green, and here I am drawing a border that's 1 centimeter wide. You can go for any measurement that you like, but this is like the typical one, 1 centimeter. Here I'm drawing some lines that I will be cutting, but I started cutting them with scissors, and it didn't work at all. Like, it was ruining the paper so bad, so I stopped doing that. And I decided to get the chopping board and a cutting knife. I promise you guys, this is not a cooking show, even though it feels like it. It feels like I'm cutting lettuce. Then you have to get the other colored paper. I chose yellow, and here's my spaghetti. This is not a cooking show, by the way. I cut out 12 strings of yellow paper, 1 centimeter wide each. I remember I used to do this method when I was like in 3rd grade. That's when I first learned it. And one day I was sitting and thought about it, and I was like, this is such a cool idea for a notebook cover. So I hope you guys will enjoy this one. I highly recommend you to try it if you haven't already. It's so much fun. Like, it takes a bit more time than the others, but I promise it will turn out so good at the end. It is a bit tiring and you might get a bit frustrated, but it will turn out so good. Here it is. It turned out super cute. I was struggling at the last one since it has less space, but I managed to push through. And all you have to do is to use some glue stick to glue it down and then cut the excess part. Here's a close-up, it's so cute. Then I sticked a piece of white paper to write down my name so no one steals it. I will stop saying this, I promise. Here it is, it's super cute. It takes more time than the others, but the results are just beautiful. I love it. I might make some others in different colors. For the next one, you will need a white piece of paper. You should fold that in half. And then you will need some washi tape to make a border around the paper because we're gonna use some watercolors. You guys, I wasted this cute sprinkles washi tape. I felt so bad about it. Like, oh, it's so cute and I wasted so much. So if you have a clear tape or a paper tape, definitely use that. Don't waste your sprinkles washi tape. Here are my watercolors. You can go for any colors that you like, but I decided to do a galaxy theme, so I picked dark blue, light blue, pink, and purple. You will also need some tissue paper. First of all, wet the paint and then dip the tissue paper into the wet paint. I know it's weird, trust the process. Dip it in gently. Don't press too hard because the tissue paper might soak a lot of water, and then just press down on the notebook cover and you will have this very cute effect on the paper. And once you use a bunch of colors, then it will mix together and at the end it will look like a galaxy painting. It's super cool and this trick is just amazing. I remember I did this in 6th grade and I'm so happy that I remembered it, and I'm really happy to share it with you guys too. Here I am putting paint on the paper aggressively because I was so angry at this point. I filmed for like 2 hours and I was so frustrated, but I managed to push through and all these notebook covers turned out super cute. Write down your name so it looks cute. Your hands will get a lot messy, like I'm warning you. I also drew some cute little black doodles around it, like stars, the moon, and planets, just to fill up those spaces, and it looks super cute. Then here's the satisfying part. Remove that washi tape. It's so satisfying. I enjoyed this moment to the fullest. And oh my gosh, I love this one. It's my favorite. It just was super quick and easy. You don't need any special supplies. And that border looks so crisp. I love this one. Here for the last one, of course, I picked an orange paper. This is like the easiest idea, I guess. It's pretty easy. You just have to craft a small envelope. I thought of this idea so whenever you need your notebook, you will have some paper clips or small notes inside your notebook, and it's a super dope hack. Here I am crafting a little white envelope. For this, I also used a black marker just to add some details to it, and it turned out super cute. Guys, let me know in the comments down below what other ideas for back to school you have. I have a ton of ideas that are coming super soon, and I hope that you will enjoy all the new content. Then you should cut out 2 small pieces of paper in the same length as the envelope and just stick them in the both sides of the envelope, just like this, so you will have space to put stuff inside it, basically. Then you can use a small piece of washi tape to stick that down. It's a pretty cool hack, just to keep the envelope closed. Then glue that to the page. You can put stuff inside like paper clips or notes that you have, anything that you prefer. Then I used a black marker to draw some doodles and borders around the notebook. Pretty quick and simple, and I just love this idea so much. It's like one of my favorite notebooks, not because it's in my favorite color, but it just looks super cute and I love it so much. Okay guys, these were all the ideas that I had for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below which one of these was your favorite and which one you will try. And if you end up doing any of these projects, don't forget to DM me on my Instagram at ilva.crafts. I'm so excited to see your work. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. I love your crafts. Bye! This is the end of today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more future videos. If you have anything else to say, just bye! And I'll see you in the next video.